In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Zoho Books account to add and properly categorize new petty cash transactions, so your reports stay accurate and up to date. Let's start from your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the main navigation menu and find the option labeled Banking. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to your bank accounts, credit cards, and cash accounts. Go ahead and click on Banking. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The wording will be the same or very similar, and you're always looking for that banking section. After you land on the banking page, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've added to Zoho Books. Among these, look for the account labeled Petty Cash. This account is used to track small day-to-day expenses you might pay in cash, like quick office supplies or small reimbursements. Click on Petty Cash to open up the detailed view of all the transactions associated with this cash account. Inside the Petty Cash view, you'll see a list of existing transactions along with options to manage or add new ones. To create and categorize a new transaction, look for the button that says Add Transaction. This is usually positioned near the top right or top left of the transaction list, depending on your screen size and layout. Click on Add Transaction to begin creating a new entry. When you click Add Transaction, Zoho Books will prompt you to select what type of transaction you want to create. You might see options such as expense, deposit, or transfer. Choose the option that best fits what actually happened in real life. For example, if you used petty cash to buy office supplies, you would select an expense. Selecting the correct type here is important because it determines how this movement of money will appear in your books. Once you've selected the transaction type, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho Books will guide you through fields like date, amount, description, and most importantly, the category or account the transaction should be posted to. Take a moment to choose the category that best matches the nature of the expense or income, because this is what keeps your financial reports meaningful. When everything looks correct, save the transaction and it will be added and categorized under your petty cash account.